You know, guys, I don't know what these are. Just showed up. We did get some rain yesterday, but they're everywhere. They're falling out of the sky. But I think they're ants swarming. Let me bend over, guys, and let you see all of those crazy ants or whatever they are. Oh my gosh, look at that. And they fly. They're in the air and they're flying everywhere. Can you see those flying around? Okay, see? They're all just flying everywhere in my hair, on my clothes, on my body.
I'm going to get the dirt now.
Go get dirt, honey. We're actually out here getting ready to root some comfrey for out here in the desert. Supposedly comfrey will grow in up to zone 9, and we're in 9A, 9B. So we're going to do that.
Here's one.
All right. Yeah, we can put a few comfrey roots in that.
A lot of them in there.
Yeah, why don't we do that?
They can be close together.
That's right, at least for now, for rooting. This plant is between our water tote. Up there is Baymax. This is the water tote right there. And our water cooler, and it's a shady area, okay? We do get a little bit shade throughout the day, but this plant is growing, and I was wondering, what is it? Ooh, I got an ant going down my shirt. Yuckos. Right here. I'm a city girl, guys. I've lived in rural areas and all that, but I have never seen flying ants like this, if these are in fact ants. Maybe they're termites. I don't know what they are. What is that beautiful weed? Somebody told me it was Indian tobacco. I haven't a clue. So if you know, please post it in comments. Got a bigger one on the other side of the house. I'll show you that one. Same plant here, only it's tall. See? And there it is. So, any of you know, I've been letting it grow because I don't know what it is. But it's green. It looks to be pretty healthy, and it definitely likes full sun. Just wanted you to see what we got going on here.